Hi, it's Ted from Think Tank. I'm here today with our Venturing Observer Rolling Suitcase series. The Venturing Observer rollers come in two sizes. The larger L2 is sized for US domestic carry-on. The smaller M2 is sized to meet international carry-on requirements. Now, I'm sure you've used many rolling suitcases over the years and are probably wondering what makes the Venturing Observers different. Well, that difference really comes down to four key elements: build quality, security features, expandability, and interior organization. When it comes to build quality, nobody beats Think Tank. The Venturing Observers are built with top quality ballistics and ripstop nylon that are super durable and look awesome. Our wheels are travel tested by thousands of photographers who have made our Airport Series rollers the industry standard for over a decade. The rollers are built with durable hardware such as the wheel housings, armor skid plate, and trolley handle, all of which are user replaceable to extend the life of your roller. In terms of security, have you ever seen a roller with all three of these security features? A Travel Sentry ID, a TSA main compartment lock, and a cable lock in the side pocket. Check out this front pocket. It goes completely flat and then expands up to 3 inches for items you want quick access to but don't want to open the main compartment, like a jacket. Let's take a closer look at some of the features that really set the Venturing Observer rollers apart. Inside there are 2 zippered mesh pockets for better organization, and this compression layer enables you to cinch the contents down, which makes a packed roller easier to zip shut. On the front, there's an expandable pocket with computer and tablet sleeves that provide quick access to your electronics and other personal items. This zippered mesh pocket keeps small items secure. There's also a zippered pocket on the top that's lined with microfiber to protect your phone or passport. On the side, there's a large bellowed pocket for a water bottle or umbrella. And the coiled cable lock is great for securing your bag to a table or chair at the airport. And the TSA zipper lock I mentioned secures the main compartment. And speaking of security, the Venturing Observer rollers feature a Travel Sentry ID tag that helps you register and recover your bag should it be lost in transit. The rollers feature 2 padded grab handles on the top and side for easy lifting into the overhead bin or a vehicle. And as I mentioned, our proprietary hardware, including wheels, wheel housings, feet, armor plating, and trolley handle, are all user replaceable to greatly extend the life of your roller. We also include this great looking luggage tag and a seam sealed rain cover that can also be used to protect your luggage from scuffs and dirt as you travel around the world. Inside, the first thing you'll notice is this classic 2-tone liner, which is very elegant, durable, and water resistant. And these 2 zippered mesh pockets are great for socks, shirts, or anything else you want to organize in your bag. There's also a zippered mesh pocket on the top sidewall and a hidden pocket underneath the liner. The compression layer I showed you earlier tucks away neatly in its own dedicated pocket. Also available are these 3 convenient clothing cubes that are designed to fit in the Venturing Observer rollers, but we'll cover those in another video. So that's the Venturing Observer Rolling Suitcase series. Built to last, these rollers will travel with you on adventures for many years to come. Thanks for watching.